Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on a MacBook. Since Rocket League does not have native Mac OS support, you'll need to use a cloud gaming service. These services stream the game to your computer, allowing you to play without installing it directly. This method requires a strong, consistent internet connection to ensure smooth gameplay and minimal lag. We will explore the best options available to get you boosting and scoring in no time. Two popular cloud gaming services are GeForce Now and Boosteroid. GeForce Now lets you play games you already own on platforms like Steam or Epic Games. Boosteroid also provides a robust cloud gaming experience, often with a simpler setup. Both services require a subscription, but they eliminate the need for a powerful gaming PC. Ensure your internet speed is at least 15 to 25 megabits per second for the best experience. Once you've chosen a cloud service, connect your preferred game controller to your MacBook via Bluetooth. Most modern controllers, like PlayStation or Xbox, pair easily. Within the game, consider lowering video settings such as texture quality or shadows to reduce strain on the streaming service and your internet. Also, close any unnecessary background applications on your Mac to dedicate more bandwidth and processing power to the game stream. With these steps, you're ready to enjoy Rocket League on your MacBook. Remember, practice makes perfect, so spend time in training modes to master your car control and aerial maneuvers. Playing with friends can also enhance the experience, whether in casual or ranked matches. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and have fun on the field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.